All right, everybody, here we go. We're going to help you out with this activity here. It's on lesson plan 5.2, I believe. We're going to get that right up here just to make sure. Yeah, lesson 5.2. You're going to need to go to slide 9 if you're doing this at the house because you click on this link here and it'll pop open this document right here, which go to the top. Voila. If you're doing this in class, you got the paper in person, so it don't really matter. Yeah, once you got this, what we're going to do is this. These first name, hopefully you get that one correct. All right, I'm here with little Pinky today, all about that thug life. Pinky's going to make sure I give you good answers, so, right? All right. For this first three here, they're kind of opinion questions. So the only way you get them wrong is you put in their IDK or you leave them blank. All right, just see what you already know. If you really want to be like overworking it, you could even Google stuff, but literally it's just what you know. All right, so station 1 right here. We're gonna have to go to slide 10. This video is very fast, by the way. I intend for you to press pause, record it, press pause, like go back, rewind, watch, whatever you need. All right, so for station 1, I'm gonna move that up here. You got this link right here and this link. I popped these links already open. They look like this for a map, and they look like this for a graph. What I'm looking for you to do, and for this part here on the first page, and also down here on the second page, I need you to make an observation and a relationship. So we'll show you the first one here. If I'm looking up here, this blue means those areas have gained water in the last few years, and the red means that those areas have lost water in the last few years. If the areas are white down here, like Mexico, that just means they haven't gained or lost. All right. If I'm looking here, Alaska's observation, Alaska's blue has gained water. Observation. Relationship. Glaciers are melting, so that's probably how they're gaining water. All right. I'll give you another one down here. Amazon in Brazil is red. Amazon is red. They have lost water. That's the observation. The relationship is they've been cutting down trees and the water just runs off to the ocean. All right. You can even do it with the picture here with the dude on the bike, woman with a bucket on the head. You can even go over here with these maps over here. The other thing you can do is this. Go to these maps. Like for this first map, if I look down here, dang it. Went down too far. Dang it, went up too far. All right, come on, give me my map, man. I have no idea where that map went. All right, forget it. All right, this map here, we'll do this one. If you don't like a map too, just go on to the next one. There's 20,000 maps in here. This is America. You find the map you like. Right here, back in 1901, global fresh water use over the long run. So this is how much fresh water we've been using as a world. Back in 1901, we didn't use a lot. Why? Because we didn't have washing machines. We didn't have dishwashing machines. And people didn't shower every other day. So like we use more water today. So observation, 1901 compared to today, we use more water today. Relationship, we've got a lot more machines that use water and we need more water. All right, and you can go down with any of these graphs down here, and you can just keep getting more and more. If you don't understand a graph, go on to the next graph. All right, it's all good. All right, now, so we're gonna need that for station 1. Now for station 2 down here, right here. So for station 2, you wanna click on slide 11. You got this site and this video. You're gonna need these links when you go to that site. So this site, we're gonna close this one out. Sorry, bang, like that. This website right here, hit drinking water. As soon as you get to drinking water, first questions go. Where's Hartford's drinking water from? All right. The MDC's raw water comes entirely from the surface water and watersheds at approximately 89 square miles in Connecticut, Massachusetts. I think there's one of your answers. Sweet. All right. Why is it located there? Let's see if we can find. Down here. Oh yeah, up here it also says Barkhamsted Reservoir, blah blah blah, Northwest Connecticut. Here we go. That right there will tell you why it's in there, why it's up in those areas instead of being by Hartford. All right, next question. Why does it say about Hartford's drinking water contaminants? Ooh, let's take a look at that. Don't know sure if that's down here. All right, let's take a look here. Water quality. Might be here. Oh, here we go. Woo. Yep. Gives you some answers there. What is the level at? So go up to here. You probably got to do water supply. Water supply is like the amount, or water level, and water supply is the amount of water we actually have in those reservoirs. So this will tell you right through here. Do. Awesome. Make sure you're looking that up because that information changes like weekly, I think. All right. What does it say about Flint's problem and how they occurred? That's going to be underneath the lead stuff because Flint had problem with lead in the pipes. So for this, what you're going to have to do is click on lead information there, go down to here, just give that paragraph a read, and that should tell you about the answer for this one. How did they get? What did you get from reading about the watershed protection? So for that, what you need to do is go up to here on this link here, watershed protection. Give this one a read right here and just give them an answer. All right. All right. That's for that one. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Sweet. All right. For station 3, we go like this. Slide 12. You got to open up these links right through here. The first one says, how are the restrictions for Southington and Manchester different? That's this first article. Give this a read. That will tell you how they're different. What did you take away from the Hartford Courant article? That article looks like this. That will tell you, and you got to come up with a takeaway from it. Takeaway is just like what you think about it. Which stage of drought is your town currently in? You can look up this article right here. If you're watching this video, keep in mind I might have filled them in a different year. So right up here, it'll tell you what towns have like water restrictions and whatnot. Right now, it looks like this. And you can put that as an answer if you're in 2021. All right, here we go. Back to this. All right, now we're on to stage 4 and station 4. So if you look at station 4, dang, we got a bunch of links there. We got to open those up. Got to close those out though. Come on now, close. All right. So if I open these up, first question is, what goes into wastewater? This one will help you out a little bit, but this one will tell you right up here. Yeah, all those. All right. You can throw that as an answer right there. For the next one, why do we treat wastewater instead of dumping it in the river? I think it even gives you it on this one right here. Yeah, what is wastewater and why do we treat it? Why treat wastewater? All right. Those right there will give you the answer to this. Oh, from the tunnel video, why do you think the storm runoff is bad? This is a tunnel video. This is what we're doing locally here in Connecticut. They got this tunnel project. If you watch this video, it'll give you the answer to this. Why do you think storm runoff is and why is it bad? Here's a hint for you. You don't want to swim in the river after there's been a major rainstorm. On the United Nations site, what is the population connected to wastewater collecting system in the United States? Do you think it would be higher or lower and why? So you're going to need to go into this site right here. Now, if you look down here, what they want to know is how many like homes are connected to a sewer. So if we go down here in the United States, all right, it's this number right here. Back in 1996, that number right there is the percentage of households that were connected to the sewer system. Do you think it would have been higher or lower and why? And let's see down here. I think we're wrapping this up. In your own words, describe the 6 steps of the wastewater primary treatment process. This one you're going to have to Google and look up. All right. You can use some of the links I gave you too, if that helps, but there you go. And then done with station 1, 2, 3, 4, freestyle time. Look up an interest of yours concerning water and educate me about it. Okay, anything you want to throw down there? All right. All right. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you do awesome. And yeah, if you need any help, start asking some of your friends and neighbors. And let's ask like, Pinky here, but Pinky's kind of thug life, so I'm not sure I'd really trust answers from this one. All right. Bye.